Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to use our Play-dohs on the table to make the Transformer robot. On the table I have 6 Play-doh colors. Let's name all the colors, guys. We have blue, we have green, we have blue, this is purple, we have orange, we have red, and we have gray. Cool. And on the table I have a robot. We're going to make them using our Play-doh compounds. This is a robot from Transformers movie. He's very cool, right? Okay, are you guys ready to do it with me? Let's do it together. First, we're going to use purple. Cool. We have our first robot, guys. And he is purple. Next, we're going to use red. Look at this, guys. This is so cool. We have our second robot. And he's red. Next, we're going to use blue. There it is. This is the best that I have made so far. What about you guys? We have a third robot, guys, and it is blue too. Next we have gray. Here it is. We have a fourth robot, and it is gray. Yay! Next, we're going to use orange. Here it is. This is an orange robot. This is a fifth robot. Cool. Lastly, I have green. It looks so ugly, guys. Let's do it one more time. Okay. There it is. Looks so much better. And this is our last robot, our sixth robot. And he is green. Okay guys, we finally have all 6 robots on the table. Let's name all the colors one more time. We have red robot, orange robot, green robot, purple robot, blue robot, and gray robot. Yay! That's it for the video guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make this big truck over here using a Play-doh on the table. On the table I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 Play-dohs. And we're going to use all of them to make the truck. First, let's figure out all the colors. On the table we have red, green, blue, orange, gray, and purple. And the shape that we have today is also blue. Okay, let's remove the truck from the sling. Very cool, right? First, we're going to use red. I'm gonna flatten this out. Cool. So we have a first truck, and it is red. Good. Next we're going to use green. Here's a green.
The farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife.
Very good.
Takes the wife.
Here's a second truck.
The farmer takes the wife.
And it is green. Cool.
The wife takes the
Next
child.
we're going to use
The wife takes the
blue.
child. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse. The child takes the nurse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow. The nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow.
Here's a blue truck.
The cow takes the dog.
Very cool, right?
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
Next we're going to use orange.
The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese.
Here's
The
our
mouse
orange
takes the
truck.
cheese. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes
Cool.
the cheese. The cheese stands
Next we're
alone.
going to use
The cheese stands alone.
gray.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Here's a gray truck, guys. And it is a fifth truck. It doesn't look like it's a truck at all. Let's redo it. There, better. Here's a fifth truck and it is gray. Yay! And lastly, we're going to use purple. Here it is. This is a purple truck. Okay guys, we finally have 6 trucks on the table. Let's name all the colors one more time. We have green truck, a purple truck, a gray truck, a red truck, orange truck, and blue truck. Yay! That's it for the video guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy it, leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.